By Students for Students is a district-wide initiative to get more students to eat in the cafeteria. So our culinary arts students have the chance to create their own dishes that they will hopefully get to serve next school year.
We learned about the food process, what goes on. It's giving me a lot of ideas. Like I was gonna bring like Korean food into like the schools. Love to let everybody try it.
They get to actually see all the requirements, the ingredients, and the restrictions that go into it. And they get an opportunity to try to think outside of the box and create something that is new and delicious for all students to enjoy.
This experience has been truly enjoyable, honestly, being able to create our own dishes based on like what we're given by the school, and just really being able to experience what our nutritionists and chefs go through to be able to create delicious and nutritious meals for us, playing with the flavors and the textures. I really enjoyed the experience, and I'm sure all of my fellow club mates did as well.
So every meal has to meet a certain financial requirement as well as nutritional requirement, as well as being able to be duplicated. And so they're looking at all these requirements as they create these items. And so we'll select these items to go onto our menu next year, and we'll debut those at what we call the Taste of the District.
We brought dishes from around the world to learn more about new cultures and cultural dishes.
I think I benefited by repetition in cooking. A lot of the stuff was repetition since we had to make 30 servings, and letting other people taste my food, that's a new thing for me too. So yeah, it was just a great experience.
Our goal is to have most of the menu made by the students. They created 12 different recipes, and I'm pretty happy with all these people that are supporting us and with all the staff.
My Students for Students, it's super fun, and honestly I love that I get to connect with everyone that's here.